We begin in Manitowoc County, where the number of children in need of foster care has more than doubled in the last 5 years. That's according to members of the county's Human Services Department. Tonight, NBC 26's Juliana Falk shows us one of the reasons behind the increase in a story you'll see only on NBC 26.
Welcoming children into their homes is something some families feel called to do.
I just have a love and desire to help children.
Lori Foth is a foster mom and says she's been working with Manitowoc County Human Services since 2009, even adopting 3 of her and her husband's 6 long-term placements.
It's a big piece of my heart.
In the last several years, though, things have changed in Manitowoc County, going from 57 children in need of out-of-home care to 131.
5-6 years ago, maybe even longer, the increase in drugs in our community really started to rise. We started to see a big problem with opioids, heroin, and now methamphetamine.
Jenna Foster is a social worker with Manitowoc County Human Services, and she's often on the front lines when it comes to assisting children living in homes being raided for drugs.
We've had kids that were in active meth labs homes, kids that have been exposed to needles, lying all over the place.
She says they try to limit the trauma children might go through in these situations and assess whether a home is a safe place for them.
If it is not safe for a child to remain in that home, our job is to try to see if there are relatives or other people who the child knows who would be appropriate to care for that child.
If not, they find alternative arrangements, like a foster care family, until the mother or father of the child is able to safely care for them again. And there are resources available in the county to help with that. But it's people like Lori Foth who can help care for the children until that point.
And when you see a child go back home to their family, that is an amazing thing too, because then you know something good happened there.
Foth says as a community, it's important for everyone to be there for a child who needs a home. In Manitowoc, Juliana Falk, NBC 26.